everyone, it's your girl Jen, and we are quickly coming into Halloween territory. It is truly one of my favorite holidays because I love dressing up. But last year, I waited a week before Halloween and my costumes were pretty dismal. So this year, I thought that I would plan accordingly, and I had some extra Halloween costumes on the side that I thought I would share with you guys. Like personally, if I saw anyone at a party wearing these costumes, I would go up to them and strike a conversation. So without further ado, let's get started. My first costume idea is Marie Kondo, an absolute icon. For this wholesome costume, you'll need a white cardigan, a midi-length skirt, a box of rolled up garments, a black straight wig with bangs, black tights, and some black heels. She swept the nation with her tidying skills and just reminded us how much junk and baggage we cling on to. I don't think I'll ever be able to fold a t-shirt without thinking of the KonMari method. As someone who loves a neat environment, I really look up to her. Does this costume spark joy? Yes, it does. Jordan Peele is one of my favorite directors, and when Us came out, I went running to the theater to watch it. Immediately, I thought it would be a relatively simple costume to pull off, and also great for groups. Here's what you're gonna need. A red jumpsuit, a brown glove, scissors, some sandals. Us is a thriller where a family meets their doppelgangers and it basically becomes a duel to see who will kill who. So many people have bit the euphoria bug. There was a point in time where I couldn't scroll down Instagram without seeing everything euphoria. From the iconic makeup to the plot lines, I think it's impossible for HBO to come out with a bad show. Here are the items you're gonna need. A white dress, angel wings, a blonde wig, and some red eye makeup with silver glitter. Jules is one of my favorite characters on the show. I think she's gone through hell and back, quite literally, so I thought it was very fitting to see her dress as this dreamy angel with a twist for the Halloween episode. The whole time I was captivated by this look and I couldn't wait to recreate it. My next costume idea is Tyler, the Creator. If you're a big Tyler fan, you know he has a way of being so unapologetic and authentic. It really trickles down to what he wears. Here's what you're gonna need. A seafoam suit, a blonde bowl cut wig, black sunglasses, some boots, and a mic. He came out with a new album titled Igor back in May. I've really overplayed it for most of the year. For his Earthquake music video and a lot of his shows recently, he's been dressing up in this aquamarine getup. It's so him. If I saw someone dressed up like this, I'd give him a big high five. Black Mirror is one of my favorite shows. I mean, you probably could have guessed it by now. In the most recent season, Miley Cyrus played Ashley O, the it girl and ultimate pop star. Here's what you're gonna need. A white top, sequin bottoms, white boots, a purple wig. I won't spoil it for you guys, but this episode was really sad, funny, and just really tackled the distortion between what you see online versus what someone is actually like in real life. Growing up, Mrs. Doubtfire was hands down my favorite film. I would watch it over and over on VHS until I can quote it by heart. But recently, I went on a family trip and it came on the TV and I thought, what a great costume idea. Here's what you're gonna need. A skirt, a blouse, black stockings, some grandma looking shoes, a blonde grandma wig, some grandma looking glasses, and 2 lids from your pots. Just like every kid in the 90s, I loved the scene where she's cooking and her boobs catch on fire. Ugh, Robin Williams, what a legend. Alright guys, that is a wrap on my Halloween costume ideas for 2019. I still have 2 more costumes under my belt, which I will be revealing as the date gets closer. But I would love to know which outfit was your favorite in the comments down below. And also, I'm very curious as to like what you're gonna dress up this year. I love Halloween. It's so fun. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah.